Today is about seeing the very best of Dubrovnik, a cable car ride up Mount Surge for unbeatable views of the harbor, a walking tour of Old Town, and climbing the famous city walls.
I invite you to come to visit Dubrovnik. There is so much history, and there are city walls, cable car, a beautiful view from the hill Surge.
A favorite of visitors to Dubrovnik, the cable car will take you to some of the best views of the city and beyond. Wow! From the top of Mount Surge, you get this stunning view of Dubrovnik. It can see all the way out into the Adriatic. Now let's check out the Old Town. There's so many cute little shops and restaurants around here, and I love that it's like this little labyrinth of narrow streets and alleyways.
So, this is the Church of St. Blaise.
Our guide is fantastic. She's full of all this historical knowledge and funny anecdotes, and she actually grew up within these walls. As you walk along the edge of the wall, it's fun to be able to get a little taste of how the locals live.
Very enjoyable. You see the city from many different perspectives that you wouldn't see otherwise. You're very high up and you get to see it from all four sides. That alone is worthwhile, and if you're a photographer like I am, it's amazing. You get so many great shots out of this.
Today I fell in love with Dubrovnik. The cable car ride up to the top of Mount Surge gave us sweeping views of the city and the Adriatic Sea, then spending time exploring the streets of the Old Town with our guide who taught us so much of its history. What a fantastic way to get to know this city.